Hello again, folks. Don't get to take this beauty out. This is the FMS Cessna 182 1.5 meter. Absolutely beautiful flying plane. Easy to break apart, easy to break down. Flying on a 4S 3300 with an AR 631 in her. And she is an absolutely beautiful flyer. Supposed to be a licensed scale replica. Do a surface check.
Throttle cut off.
Throttle's active.
Take off flaps.
The one notch of flaps. Let's just fly around and have some fun.
Flaps up.
Hardly any wind today. It's unusual for here. Wind's usually blowing most of the damn time here. You can see as the desert's starting to heat up, we'll get a little bit of thermal action up here, a little bit of turbulence.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Not a big deal. Thing's very scale. It's got a full cockpit, the pilot, yokes, a dash on it. So it's easy to fly scale. Sometimes that's no fun.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Got beautiful lights on her. Suspension on the front nose gear. Pretty durable plane. Flying off this desert floor, it just doesn't have hardly any. It's got more hanger rash than it does damage from flying. I don't remember how this one flies inverted. Let's find out. Flies just fine. I should have known that. My bad.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
It's going to be hot today here in central Nevada. So I'm out here early in the morning trying to get my flying in before it gets too hot. There's full throttle. No speed demon, but you'll do what you want to do.
Take off flaps.
If we can't slow her down here.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, the wind's picking up a little bit now.
Take off flaps.
Let's go ahead and take her around and get her lined up.
Landing flaps. 30 seconds.
Reducing throttle to almost nothing.
20 seconds.
Flare. Beautiful.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Time expired.
There's my 5-minute timer. Fun playing.